Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Time with Faye, and I am your host Faye, or Kweju, anyone, whichever you want to call me. I'm here to do like an introduction to my channel, Time with Faye. On this channel, I'm going to be shooting my hobbies, my work, and anything that is going around me, like my environment, any events that I gist. I'm just going to video it and send it here so that you guys can watch it. Sorry I stammer a lot because so don't mind me. On this channel, basically what I'm going to be doing here is hair making, like hair dressing, tips on hair, like how to make your hair long, how to make your hair natural, because right now I'm going through like transitioning, so I want to make my hair like natural, but it's in between relaxed and natural hair. So I'm very careful with it. As you can see, it is like, doesn't even look like, it's just muddled up. So I'm going to be giving you guys tips, whether it is okay, like okay, this tips is good or not. I'm going to be giving you guys like all these tips. I'm going to be telling you the truth, like okay, don't do this, don't, because my hair, I love my hair, I want my hair to be long. I wish to have hair like waist length hair too, so I'm not going to be joking with anybody's hair here. So, and I'm going to be baking too, because that's one of my hobby too. I'm going to be baking baking cakes, how to make heavy cream, how to make whipping cream, baking muffins, brownies, bread, making donuts, chin stuff like that. I'm going to be doing it because like I bake for a living too. It's hustling. So I bake for a living, so I'm going to be doing the videos and teaching you guys, those who want to bake too, and those who love to bake. I'm going to be so I will be posting videos about baking so that you guys can learn from me and all those stuff, that. And I love knitting, but I don't have time for like knitting right now. But when I have time, I'm going to be posting videos on knitting, how to make carpets, these cute rug that I make from wools. So I'm going to be doing that, different that I can make blouse from crocheting. So I'm going to be posting videos on that. So last but not the least, that's flower making from paper, that some people call it like interior deco. So I'm going to I'm good at that too. So I'm going to be doing videos on that, like how to make this type of flower, this color goes with this. I have flowers around my house, so but today I'm just going to do like an introduction to you guys. So and right now it is midnight, so I can't be moving around. So maybe like my next video, or when we talk about flower making, I'm going to be showing you guys, and maybe I use it as a background for any video. You guys can be seeing the flowers I do make. I make a lot too. I'm into photographing, but I'm not that good in it, so I'm just interested in photographing. So when you see me like posting videos on how to do this photography, this, and don't be like, Faye, why are you posting on photography now? Are you into photography? I do anything for hustling, so I'm hustling. But I know I'm not the only one that hustle, and some people are interested in things I do. So I love to make videos. I love making videos too, and you guys should welcome me to TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Yeah, and all my username are time with Faye. Yes, I'm not that complicated, so I just name everything time with Faye. So you guys should welcome me. Do click on the like button. Please do subscribe. I know this is my first video, but do subscribe so that you can follow me on the journey of all I'm going to do on my journey on these apps. And thank you very much for watching this video. I'm really grateful. Thanks. Bye.